And we're back to learning JavaScript. We show another method to print out the values. We can use an array for that. So we'll define one, const myArray. And this is now set to equal keyword object dot values. And then inside of our regular brackets we use the name of the object, in our case the user. Now the values are stored in my array. We can simply print out my array via document.write. And if I add here, for example, a new property, let's say maybe salary or something. So salary colon, and I don't even know what he makes a year, but it's certainly too much. And oh, I need to get rid of the semicolon here. And now if I print it out, you can see this also added to our array. So yet another way to print out the values. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.